Welcome back, Toxic guys. What's up? We
What's up?
are finally actually back. Just the two of us after
the
so
two.
long.
Just
What's up,
the
man?
two of us. We can, make it if we try. Let's go. Okay. क्या कर
Alright.
रहे हैं मानव? What are we doing today?
We are doing a lot of stuff today, but we'll start with a game for you actually.
Oh no. Okay.
And I don't think तूने देखी है game, but this is guess the anime with the letter K.
K. Oh
Right.
shit.
Only the K, and I'll make it very easy for you in the very beginning, ताकि देखो थोड़ा सा
Okay,
समझ
okay.
में आए कैसे करना है. K. This is
So-
the first K
So
on your
are
screen.
Are you going to give me like
No
pictures
hints.
of anime? No hints.
No
मैं
hints.
कोई भी
So
बोल दूँ.
this is from an anime poster.
Oh, तो मुझे इसी का guess करना है.
देखो ये guess करना है कौन से anime का K है ये.
That is.
And very simple.
Not
very
very-
easy.
what?
Very easy for you.
This looks
this
like
is-
a Death Note font, but it clearly
Ooh.
has nothing
Death
to
Note
do
में K
with.
नहीं आता.
हाँ.
But sure.
So ये
let's-
K से start होता है या बीच में K आता है?
चल I give you that. बीच में आता है.
बीच में आता है. Attack
This
on
is very.
Titan,
No. This is very easy for you.
Kuroko
Come on.
Basket,
Ash,
Ball.
think about it. You can't just name every K anime out there.
हाँ मतलब मैं और क्या कर रहा हूँ? We or you said बीच में आता है.
Yep.
There's also an anime which is only K, just K.
No, that's not it. Come on. Think.
Angle.
अपना दिमाग लगा. It's you like this anime a lot.
Oh,
I'll give you
Tokyo
that.
Ghoul. Yes.
Yup, that's it.
It is.
That's the
Tokyo
first
Ghoul.
anime.
I know the
Tokyo
font.
Ghoul. Okay, now you get the
I do.
idea of it.
समझ गया मैं.
So very easy again.
Jujutsu Kaisen.
Yup. That
Nice.
is it.
That was
is
good,
it.
dude.
Very simple, right?
Yeah.
Next. This might be a little off-putting. You might not know this.
It looks like Konosuba, but it's not.
It's not.
यार ये देखा हुआ है मैंने के.
This is from a manga panel, by the way. This is like
Oh.
from the poster of a manga. I'll give you that. It's a very good. You've seen this. You've read this manga, I think,
The
or you've seen this
font.
anime.
That's crazy.
I'll okay. It starts with an F. The anime starts with an F.
What? अबे F से तो कोई भी anime start.
There is.
नहीं फ्रेंड में के नहीं आता.
Friend में क्या नहीं आता.
It looks like
Come on, you can do this.
free नहीं.
Hmm.
I'm so tempted to say the F word, but I don't know. I skip this one.
Come on. Try harder. Just try
कोई
once more.
genre. What's the genre?
Uh,
नहीं बताएगा. Okay.
genre would be. It's just a drama series, by the way. It's just a drama
What?
series.
Love is War.
No.
Kami-sama something ना? नहीं.
Okay, I'll give you one more hint.
अच्छा.
It is very famous. Plus, it has 5 main characters, I think.
5 main characters.
Yeah, 4 or 5 main characters. I don't remember it
One
very
Piece
well.
में नहीं आता भाई के. उसी में है इतने सारे. Demon Slayer.
The main character is named Tohru.
Whoa. Okay.
Tohru.
यार ये वो है क्या? I'm forgetting. Basket, whatever.
Yup, that's Fruits Basket.
Fruit
That's
Basket.
it. That's
Yes.
it. Yup,
I was
that's
like,
it. That's it.
I was like, I
Very
know
nice.
that font. Fruit Basket.
Very nice. Okay, this.
बड़ा L के नाम जैसा font है ये. Is it Black Clover?
Yes, it is. Let's go. Very nice. Okay, I think I have two last.
Kuroku
Yeah, that's
Basket.
very easy. Very easy. One last. This is the
Sure.
like one last meaning. This is very easy.
Damn, Berserk.
Nope.
No, that is very Berserky font.
Oh, you should know this. It's a recent anime. I'll give you that.
Oh, अच्छा.
Yup.
Recent anime, like 2025. Yeah,
24.
24.
I think it. Yeah, first episode 4 में आया था.
What?
It's you have watched it, you liked it a lot, and
I liked it a lot.
it's just.
See, दान में के नहीं आता और ये दान का
What
font भी
happened?
नहीं है.
Did my net go? Did your net go?
Kaiju number 8.
Yup, that is
Oh.
it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Dude,
The next
did you watch कि Kaiju number 8 खत्म होने वाला है? हो गया actually.
Yup, I did see that. Yup.
Nice.
But yeah, I was going to give you the hint. It's t-shirt है इसकी and you would have guessed it.
So you'll be crazy when I tell you कि मैंने कल ही उसका second last chapter पढ़ा है.
Oh shit! See,
Imagine last chapter 1 महीने बाद आएगा.
एक महीने बाद आए. You have to wait. मतलब they are like making you wait, man. Come on.
और इतनी abruptly इतनी fast story खत्म कर दी. I was expecting कि भाई lower होगा अभी
लंबा चलेगा.
But no, good story.
Yeah. Strong start, strong finish. I think. I believe that's what they're going for.
That was fun. You know what?
That was fun.
अब तूने मेरे को आइडिया दे दिया है. अब मैं भी तेरे लिए बनाऊंगा and I'll make a very random letter.
Okay, fine. I don't mind that. I prefer that.
ये competition चलता रहेगा भाई.
Done. This is our new Thai madness. All right. Moving on to the next game. Ash, I just want to say I can name 25 Pokemon in 1 minute.
कितने बोले तूने?
25
in 1 minute.
Yup.
I can already call your bullshit, but you know what? इतना भी easy नहीं करेंगे. I think 25 is easy to do.
Very easy to do.
I can do 30 easily. Oof. I can do 30 क्योंकि Gen 1 में 151 मेरे को almost सारे पता है.
I can do 31.
अबे ये इतना चिंदी मत बन भाई. So for people who don't understand what we're doing is हम अभी bet कर रहे हैं कि हम 1 मिनट के अंदर कितने पोकेमोन का नाम ले सकते हैं and this is a stakes game. तो मैं high stake करता हूँ. उसने 31 बोला. I'm going to say I can name 45 dude.
What?
1 मिनट में 45 very easy. Very. क्योंकि don't forget evolutions भी होते हैं और एक के 3 evolutions होते हैं. So 41 नहीं 45.
But you have 1 minute.
Yeah, and I can do and अभी तो चल 45 पे मैं रुक गया but I'm pretty sure I can do more.
45 पे रुक गया.
भाई मैं ऐश हूँ. मेरा literally नाम ऐश कैचम पे लिखा हुआ है.
You know what? I can name 50.
You can?
I can.
Yeah. Actually, I think you can. It is doable. But मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि 60 in 60 minutes. Let me hold. अभी मैंने bet नहीं किया. हाँ 60 seconds. हाँ. 60 in 60 seconds.
Come on.
नहीं, I'll do 51.
I said 55.
Oh, you said 55. Okay, I call bullshit. नहीं करेगा. I
no.
call bullshit.
Okay.
So now he has to do 60 seconds में मैं timer खोल रहा हूँ.
I've been preparing for this, by the way. I want to beat Ash for this. On this.
What? You've been preparing?
Alright.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready and मैं timer start कर दूँगा.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, Venusaur, Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard, Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise, Caterpie, Metapod, Butterfree, the Pikachu, Raichu, Weedle, Kakuna, Beedrill, Pidgeotto, Pidgeot, Rattata, Raticate, Spearow, Ekans, Arbok, the Fiero, Geodude, Raichu, Sandshrew, Sandslash, Nidoran, Nidorina, Nidoqueen, Nidoran, Nidorino, Nidoking, Clefairy, what's her name? Vulpix, Ninetales, Jigglypuff, Wigglytuff was the evolution. Zubat, Golbat, Oddish, Venonat, Hitmonlee, Hitmonchan, Diglett, Meowth.
50 bro.
हो गया.
नहीं 55 बोला तूने. हाँ.
Psyduck, Golduck, Mankey, Poliwag, Arcanine.
Oh, time. But you got it. You got it, bro. You got 55 in exactly 60 seconds.
Oh my
That's
God.
so close, dude. तू पढ़ रहा था क्या? तू कोई देख के पढ़ रहा था?
नहीं. This was all my. I told you.
That's what I said. कि अगर एक बारी तुम starting से जाओ ना 151 में, you can easily do it.
I was preparing.
That was good, dude. That was really good.
I was so good.
और like तू मानेगा नहीं, मैं time देख रहा हूँ and it was like 1 second with the last one.
I probably wasted a second or two by saying generations and stuff, but yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. That's awesome. That was amazing.
I'll give you this.
Let's go.
So that you can see all the Pokemon right here. This is a Dragon Ball Scouter.
Over 9,000. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Over 9,000 for real. Okay, I have another game for you.
Oh, एक और game. Okay, game back to back चल रही है हमारी आज के podcast में.
Okay. This is where I need your participation.
ठीक है.
I will name a letter. You will say a letter.
हाँ.
And उस starting और एंड में हमें वो लेटर बेसिकली अगर तूने लेटर बोला जो मैं लेटर बोला तेरा लेटर स्टार्ट वाला होगा मेरा लेटर एंड वाला होगा सो वी हैव टू नेम एन एनिमे दैट स्टार्ट्स विद योर लेटर एंड्स विद माय लेटर
बट सिर्फ एनिमे या एनीबॉडी एनिमे कैरेक्टर्स एंड एवरीथिंग
एनिमे
एनीथिंग एनिमे ओके आई हैव सीन दिस गेम मैंने रील्स में देखी थी आई लाइक इट लेट्स प्ले
आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन गो फॉर दिस
सो
ओके
3 2 1 करना है कैसे करना है
3 2 1 करना है
3 2 1 F Oh. FNO. Franco.
Fushiguro.
Fushiguro. That's good. Let's go. But ऐसे तो कोई भी Japanese नाम बोल दे and it will be somewhere in there.
We know this guy.
We know this guy. Okay, that's good. You got a point, dude.
Let's go. Okay.
3 2 1 D.
A. What did you say?
D. Dan. No, that's not A. ऐसे end नहीं होता.
Deidara. That's a character from Naruto.
Oh.
Deidara.
What? Who?
Deidara. Deidra. That's the guy who blasts himself.
I'm going to fact check.
Yeah. The C4 guy. That's C4 guy.
Oh, the C4 guy. Dara. I suck at this game. Okay. 3 2 1 L.
N. What did you say?
L.
I said N. Light. Oh, no.
L and N.
The Ligma. I don't know.
L and N.
Lin.
Oh, Lin. Lin is Big Mom's name.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Okay, you get 1 point. 2-1. Let's go. All right.
Okay.
3
2 1
T.
What did you say? T and J.
Why are we so bad at this?
Tokyo Revenge. T and J. See, T से Tokyo बनता है. Taj Mahal.
Taj.
Tanj.
I call him Tanj, man. He's my
I call
boy.
him Tanj. Shit, dude, it's hard to find those T and J.
Yeah. It's very bad letters you're choosing. Temari. I don't know.
I don't know. Another skip, I guess.
Alright, okay.
So Japanese names, by the way, end with A, I, U, A, O. So अगर मैं उसमें रखूँगा and तू कोई भी first letter बोलेगा वो आ जाएगा.
Let's try that then. Okay.
3 2 1
R.
O.
O.
Rengoku. नहीं U आ गया.
नहीं वही तो एंड होता है रेंगोकू और ऐसे होता है
होता है ना यू होता है
ये होता है क्या शिट
रोरोनोवा जोरू हाँ रोरोनोवा जोरो
oh shit
रोरोनोवा जोरो I got it
finally
I found it
that's 2-1 okay
3 2 1 I
Riri
you said R
yeah Riri is a character for sure in any anime.
That's a shitty guess, but हाँ, you're right probably.
I am probably right. Yep.
That's ये ऐसे नहीं खेलते भाई. Riri नहीं है, Lily है.
But they pronounce L to
yeah, I know what you mean. है Riri भी है.
Riri है. Riri Hitsuyangi.
Yeah, she's Riri.
Yep.
Okay, you get it, bro.
Let's switch for the last one. Let's switch. You are the first letter. I'm the last letter.
Okay, fine. 3 2
1 I.
C.
Chi. That's father.
That is. But also Chi Goku की wife का नाम है.
Let's go.
Goku की wife is his father.
Yeah, exactly. Chi. Right. That's right. So I guess I win this one as well.
Sure.
Let's go.
That was horrifying, bro. We suck at this. But कुछ हमने जो skip किए अगर तुम्हें पता है उनसे let us know in the comments below.
Please do.
हमारा दिमाग बंद हो जाता है हम सोचना बंद कर देते हैं.
Right. And not for bad. The last section.
Oh, we have one more.
That's not a game. We're just going to discuss something that I believe is necessary. I think, which is called handheld devices.
Acha, we're moving out of anime. We're getting into gaming.
Particularly for the handheld devices for PS5, Xbox, and
or Switch, Nintendo के साथ.
Yeah.
So Switch.
So I don't like the Switch 2.
हाँ.
I don't like.
नहीं, but nobody likes it.
It's too black, honestly.
अबे उसकी इतनी controversies हो रही हैं. Nothing changed. It's bigger. The games are expensive.
Yeah.
And जो एक वो आता है चिप आती है ना जिसे तुम पायरेट कर सकते हो. वो डालते ही आपकी ऑनलाइन सर्विस बंद कर देते हैं. They block everything.
I mean, and the point is ki and it just did not.
Did you?
The first time I saw Switch 2, so the Switch is so colorful, blue, red, so it looks so nice. And it's just bland black.
Minimal है ना, but वो cool लगता है.
That's my first problem. That's not a cool. It's just black.
But उसके अंदर एक वो है accents of blue and red still.
Nobody can see that.
Blue and pink.
Nobody can see it. No, once you put that magnet in, nobody is seeing what.
नहीं आती है, line आती है.
It's very boring. I mean, the original color scheme they would have kept.
That was pretty good. But color is not the idea. भाई, did you see Mario Kart जो नई वाली आई है?
I did.
First of all, it's $80. $80. Which is going to be about 5,000 or 6,000 rupees in India.
I mean, if you just want to really play Zelda, then you can buy that. But otherwise,
really,
yeah, just get an emulator for your PC and do
I
that.
do that. I have one.
Yeah. Other than Nintendo, what I loved was PS ka and.
Oh, dude, that announcement was crazy. That announcement broke Nintendo.
The stick wala that they just did. Yeah. Oh my god.
Going back to 2000s.
Bhai, bringing back Tekken user. Yes. Oh my god, that would be so amazing. Getting that stick.
उसपे तुम खेलोगे क्या? तुम खेलोगे Marvel's Infinity, whatever that game is.
Marvel Rivals.
Rivals, yeah.
No, but it is specifically made for fighter games.
Yeah.
It is made for games like the Jump Force and the new Marvel game that's coming out, that is a fighting game only.
Yeah.
That is something that
में ज़्यादा जाएगा वो, क्योंकि people have their own techniques of doing things with
the whole claw method. That is actually a claw method जो phone पे नहीं use करना होता, but
like dude, the handheld, the most epic thing about the handheld, by the way, was not the handheld itself. एक game है जो 2017 से tease हो रही है, उसका नाम है Silk Song.
Right. Yeah.
So it's a sequel for Hollow Knight. Hollow Knight is my favorite game, by the way, of all time.
Silk Song is something that carried the whole announcement, by the way. It is a very famous.
It won, bro. And वो कह रहे हैं कि day 1 से जैसे तुम खरीदोगे, you get Silk Song inside the console.
Yeah. But there's also somewhat of a bad news. It might be getting cancelled.
It might be what?
Getting cancelled.
What? Why?
Yeah, it was just announced like yesterday or today morning. I just saw that post that
the console or the game?
The console, not the game.
Holy shit!
The handle might just get cancelled.
इतनी बड़ी announcement, इतने पैसे खर्चने के बाद वो बोल रहे हैं.
Xbox might just get cancelled. But there's also one more thing, that if it does not get cancelled, you can download any game from the Steam Deck, which is amazing for me.
वो Steam पे तो आ ही रहा है, true.
Steam पे सब आ रहा है, right? So the point is कि if you do have that handheld, you can play any PS5, any PS game. But
what do you think about handhelds in general? क्योंकि
I love them.
Dude, I've always been like a PC guy. मैंने PC खरीदा gaming करने के लिए था.
See, the point is that PCs are good for gaming and no doubt. But I'm the guy from generation PSP. I have a PSP.
मेरे cousin के पास PSP होता था और मेरी बड़ी जलती थी उसको देख के.
I showed you.
वो Spider-Man खेलता था. Oh, you still have one?
Yeah, I still have one.
अरे भाई साहब.
I have a PSP, not Vista.
Nice. और वो अच्छी condition में है.
It still works. Nice. The only point is that I don't have any games because my memory card got very bad. Like it broke. So I don't have any games left. Like, it still works. It still switches on. But yeah, this is the era I'm from, and that is why I love it.
मेरे पास PS2 था भाई.
No. PS2 was never my cup of tea. I was like, कहीं जाना है, you just take this anywhere you are going.
इस पे God of War चलती थी.
Yup, God of War, Chains of Olympus, God of War, दूसरी
Prince of Persia.
Persia, Iron Man 2,
WWE,
GTA San Andreas, GTA Liberty Stories is one of the favorites. So that is the type of stuff I love. That is why I'm more inclined towards Steam Deck or maybe the PS5 handheld, whatever if I get.
So मेरे पास कंप्यूटर आ गया था right when I got bored with my PS2. और एक ना मैगजीन होती थी चंपक, वो सुबह आती थी. उसके अंदर एक CD आती थी गेम्स भर के. मैं वो वाली मैंने चंपक लगवाई थी just so that I can get those CD, ताकि मैं वो गेम खेल सकूं. और चंपक गई भाड़ में, उसको तो मैं फेंक देता था. सीढ़ियाँ पड़ी हुई थी मेरे पास. और I'll be honest, I think those CDs were the reason why my laptop got virus and it blew up.
But I think CDs were the epitome of gaming, man. I loved those CDs. मतलब उसमें जुगाड़ करना पड़ता था चलाने के लिए.
Have you been cassette guy? कभी तूने वो?
Yeah.
अच्छा. So did you have Nintendo वाला जो बचपन में आता था?
Gun वाला जो था पहले जो आता था. That is like.
Gun वाला, dude.
That was childhood, man.
Dude. वो जो चिड़िया उड़ के जाती है उसको मारो. Exactly. Best console.
With the keyboard and the 100 games in one. That was epitome, man. That was. It had 100 games in one cassette, by the way.
100 games in one.
100 games in one.
और एक ही कैसेट चाहिए होती थी.
Exactly.
और Mario खेली.
I'm pretty sure nobody played 100 games, all 100 games on it because
most of them used to be Asteroid वाली जो वो आती है.
Yeah.
But Mario and एक Snow Brothers करके आती थी. And I remember
the bird wali. I remember Mario. I don't remember the snowball.
I had like 5 to 6 जो मैं अपने cousin के साथ खेलता था, भाई के साथ खेलता था.
Right. I destroyed couple of those keyboards, by the way. I totally got. I was like very अथरा बचपन में. So like जो मिल रहा सब तोड़ना ही था.
बचपन yeah, I know.
But yeah, I think if today somebody gave me a choice between a PC and having a PSP back to its original self, I would use a PSP.
Mine is a PC, bro.
No.
Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll with everybody in the comments.
Handheld devices versus PC.
I think this is a very stupid poll because PC is going to ruin your life. But yeah, PC has so much functionality, bro.
But actually, I also think that if you have the money to buy a Xbox like handheld, which is a very, very expensive, I would suggest you make a PC for yourself. I mean, it will be a decent level PC. It won't be like an amazing gaming PC. You won't be able to mine Bitcoin from it. But at the same point, you'll be able to get that experience.
But you'll be able to mine craft on it.
Yeah, that can happen. But yeah, that is it for today's podcast. That was very fun. Let us know how do you like it and what else do you want us to talk about. And yeah, clearly today's winner was me. I won 2 games out of. Hey, I did 55 Pokemon in 1 minute.
That's I'll give you that one. Yes.
But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye bye.